Good day, students. In this session, you are going to learn how to write a test on the SAM platform. You must first open Google Chrome. This is the browser you're supposed to use for SAM and not any other browser. So you first type SAMcengage, then press enter. This will help you access the website. Then you click on the first option in the results. The login page is going to open. This is where you put in the credentials that you used that you created in the previous session. So what you do is you type it in, which is your student number. It's student.uj.ac.za. This will always be your username. You use the password you created in the previous session. You must always write down your password so that you don't forget. Then you click on login. Once you've clicked on login, the activities page is going to open. This is where you'll be able to access your assignments and your tests. So you can access them either on the activities calendar, which is usually on the dates when you're supposed to write, on the activity list, and on always available assignments. What you must remember is that if the activity is not on the calendar, then you must look for it either on the activity list or on always available assignments. In this session, always available assignments will be used. So this is where you find the list of all the tests that are available for you to write. You must remember the name of the test. Otherwise, if you write the wrong test, your marks will not be captured. So make sure you write the right, you opt for the right test. This is sent to you on your Ulink and on your emails. So in this session, 2021 Word Dummy Test is the test that's going to be attempted. Please click on the Word Dummy Test, 2021 Word Dummy Test. Once you click on it, the pop-up window with the instructions and exam details is going to appear. You must read the instructions and the details, then click on Start. Maximize the screen so that you can see everything. Then you wait for the page to load. This is the overview of the test. On the top left is your menu button for your tasks. In the middle are the attempts remaining, which is the attempts per each question, time limit for the whole test, the submit button that you click on once you're done with the test, and at the bottom right is the task instructions, which you can move around if you'd like to move them. So this is usually when it's blocking where you're supposed to do the work. So you can actually move the task instructions. So I will move it to the bottom left. Before I proceed, I just want to emphasize on one thing. You must make sure you don't click on the close button, either the one at the bottom or the one at the top. If you click on the one at the top, the whole test will be closed. Then you might not be able to access the test again. If you click at the bottom one, your attempts will be reduced for that particular question. So this means you would have wasted one of your attempts. Right. So this is how you write the test. You read the instruction. So particularly for these questions, they say apply an outside border to the letterhead paragraph starting with pause and ending with www.pestassist.org. So you look for that, then you select the paragraph, then you follow instructions according to what you've learned in class. if you get the answer wrong, you get two options. You can either retry the task or you can go to the next task. So if you click on go to next task, then another question is going to appear. So as you can see, the task instructions is change the theme effect to glossy. So click on that. Then as you can see, once again, you have two options, go to next task or retry the task. So if you are certain that you may have made a slight mistake and you are still able to answer this question, you click on retry this task. So this will be your second attempt. Then you try to attempt the question again. So once again, this will be the last chance to retry this question. So you click on retry again. Then so as you can see, once you get the answer right, it goes to the next task. If it's wrong, even after the last option, it means you got that answer wrong. So you must follow the instructions, create a new blank document. As you can see. So let's say you read the instructions and you realize that you don't understand the question or you are not certain how you're supposed to answer that question. You can click on the next available button in the menu. You can click again if you are certain of the next question. Or you can also opt to answer the question that you want to answer first by clicking on the three lines in the menu button. Then you choose the question you'd like to start with. So for example, you would like to attempt question 7 first. You click on question 7. Then you read the instructions and you follow. When you are done with the questions, you can actually click on submit. So this is when you are certain that you've answered all the questions and you are satisfied with the work that you've done, then you can click on submit. So once you click on submit, a pop-up window will appear to inform you that you have not completed all the tasks in this exam. Do you want to submit? So you can either choose OK if you are certain, or you can choose cancel. So let's say you are not certain, then you click on cancel, then you go back to the test again, and then you will attempt the last remaining questions. Once you are done with the question, you can click on submit. If you are certain, then you click on OK. Then another pop-up window will appear to inform you of your marks. However, usually during the test, you will not see the marks. You will only be able to see your marks on ULink once they've been posted. So usually this does not happen. So this is because it's a dummy test. So you will only see it now, but when you write during the test, you will not be able to see it. Once you're done, you click on close. Then you can log out of SEM. Make sure you log out of SEM so that no one else can access it after you're done. then you'll be done. Thank you.